When we trial, we make a difference in breast cancer research.
When we trial, we save Black lives.
When we trial, we defy the odds.
When we trial, we do it for our sisters.
When we trial, we do it for our daughters and our sons.
When we trial, we set a new standard of care.
I was diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer while I was active duty in the military. And I was sitting at my desk one day and I sneezed. And I was like, well, that's weird. But when I sneezed, it burned. And I was like, something's not right. So I went to my doctor and I told her, I said, it just feels like it's my breast. So maybe like a week later, I had my mammogram and the young lady told me to sit down. I was like, uh-oh. Well, when I was sneezing, what had happened was it had spread to my liver and ribs. So I think then my fight started, was when I realized, okay, I'm up for the fight for my life. So she said, well, you know, I got this good clinical trial. You can go on it as a second phase. And she said, I think it'll work for you. But the first thing I asked her was like, am I gonna be a guinea pig? You know, because of our, you know, history with the Black culture. We started talking and she said, yeah, so you're gonna have to sign an informed consent. And I was like, what's that? You know, and she explained it to me. It's for me, it was a 41-page document. So it basically gives you everything about the trial. I'm still here and it still works. Clinical trials are important. This is top-notch research that we need to have as a Black community. Clinical trials are safe. You know, somebody had to been on a clinical trial for me, even for any FDA-approved drug. Just think that all the Black women that are gonna benefit from my genes, from my blood work, from my biopsy, now they can see how Black women respond to this medicine. And now this clinical trial that I was on, which has been FDA approved, they're using it for stomach cancer. So it's reaching out. So I'm just like, man, you know, this is how I wanna live my legacy.